Hey guys, so I had a pretty long rough day, so I'm about to whip dinner up. I decided to turn my phone on, of course, to record it. The Pinterest edition will continue as follows tomorrow with recipe number 2, but I felt like recording today, so that's why I'm gonna record this chicken. This is my honey soy roasted chicken. So yeah, let's get started. On my chicken so far, I have ground ginger and lots of black pepper. You're just gonna take your honey, if it'll come out, and put it all over. Maybe 2 tablespoons of it. And pretty much the same thing with the soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of that. All over the chicken. Make sure you dry your chicken before you add your seasonings. And I'm also going to add some salt, but watch out with your salt because we are using soy sauce. Mix this up, put your oven in 425 degrees, and that's it. So I decided to sear the chicken off in some butter and oil just on one side. And then I'm going to pour the marinade all over the chicken and pop it in the oven. Pour the marinade down in here. Pop it into a 425 degree oven and let it roast. This is what my lovely chicken looks like. Honestly, I didn't even expect it to turn out this well because you know me, I use a lot of spices when I cook my chicken. So it's delicious, it's pretty simple. And yeah, I sprinkled on some fresh parsley all over. And that's all I did. So I'm about to enjoy my dinner. I'm gonna eat this with some vegetables and enjoy my night. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.